Welcome everyone. In this video, we will see how to configure OPC UA Driver. To configure OPC UA Server, navigate to Process Manager window. Click on Process, Add Remove Process. Click on plus icon, search OPC UA Server. Click on Open. Click on Save and Close. Go to Process and click on Start All. Now, navigate to IDE window. Go to System, Driver, OPC UA Server. Click on plus icon to create server group. Server name field displays the name of OPC UA Server. The default name of OPC UA Server is OPC UA Server. Server URL field displays the URL of OPC UA Server. The default URL of OPC UA Server is opc.tcp hostname 48010. Hostname represents the name of the host and port for OPC UA Server is 48010. Under OPC UA Server Group, Group Name field displays all created groups. In this field you can select the group, and after selection of a group, its details are displayed. Under Group Access field, user can select the access permission for accessing the information. The two-access mode is either read or write. When Read Radio button is selected, the information can only be read from OPC UA Server, and in case of write, the information can only be written into OPC UA Server. Under Tag Selection, user can select the tags from this window for OPC UA Server. The tags can be selected using checkbox. You can select user and system tags. User can append the selected tags from Tag Selection window to Selected Tag List window using Append button. State field is used to display connection state of the server. By default, the value will be stopped. Two states are possible for the state field. 0 indicates stopped. 1 indicates running. By clicking Save icon will save all the details in IDE. Clicking Exit icon will discard any changes made and closes the screen. That's all about OPC UA Server configuration.
Thank you for watching.